The nice thing about the GoPro roll cage is the ability to remove the protective lens cover, which means it can be replaced should it be marked, chipped or scratched in any way. A much cheaper option rather than replacing the camera as a whole thanks to that fixed lens. Well, Freewell now have roll cage users covered too with their all-day 6-pack. Freewell are no new players when it comes to producing seriously high quality professional level optics, providing solutions across a range of usage scenarios. And in this case they didn't just stop at filters either. Inside the package you'll find a handy usage guide alongside some stickers and a cleaning cloth, and we can even find a card with a QR code leading to video tutorials, which is a nice added touch. It's all about these though, supplied within a handy hardshell carry case, complete with magnetic catches at each corner to keep the contents secure. Inside we find an array of filter options. Now these provide a fantastic solution for videographers or photographers who need a filter for all situations of the day. The kit consists of 6 neutral density filters from ND8 all the way up to ND1000, which covers all your needs from partial cloudy days to very bright sunny days. And if that weren't enough, we also find a polarizer filter too, which works to prevent unwanted reflections from naturally reflective surfaces outdoors. With a tough plastic frame on the business end, we have high definition premium multi-coated optics helping to keep the lens waterproof, dustproof, scratch-proof and oil-proof, aimed at achieving the best image quality possible. Thanks to the replaceable roll cage protective lens which pops straight out of the silicone case, installing your desired filter is easy too. Just push into place and you're ready to create some beautifully cinematic footage. Your chosen density level depends upon your shooting conditions as well as the type of effect you're looking to create. They'll also help to introduce some blur for that added cinematic look. Whichever filter is chosen, thanks to the high quality optics, the results are superb. With the high quality we've come to expect from Freewell, if you're after a filter solution with minimal fuss, then this is certainly a great place to start. A perfect companion to the GoPro roll cage. With a complete set of 6 filters that cover the entire range of most commonly used densities, as well as a polarizer to reduce reflections too, if you're after a minimalist design, the Freewell all-day 6-pack roll cage filter kit comes well recommended.